The new edition of the Fitness Professionals Handbook will be available in spring 2024. A valuable feature through HKPropel includes 25 video clips that correspond to key techniques covered in the book. When a demonstration is available on a topic, there will be a video icon, as shown in this example. In addition to a thoroughly updated textbook, this edition also offers several instructor resources. The instructor guide includes a syllabus, a course outline that details lecture topics and lab and classroom activities, practical exam checklists for students and instructors, and lab assignment grading sheets for use by instructors. Additional instructor resources include 720 questions as part of the test package. There is a PowerPoint presentation package with over 800 slides, and an image bank is available that includes most of the art tables and content photos. For more information, please see the Human Kinetics website, where you can request to be notified when the book becomes available, as well as to submit a request for a review copy for instructors. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.